Hello again, guys. It's Marvin with JaguarTopRepair.com. Thank you for tuning in. To my subscribers, thank you for coming back. To my new people, welcome. You're in the right place. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. I will be sharing some stuff with you guys over the next few weeks, and I want you to be a part of the Jaguar Top Repair team. Also, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. So let's go ahead and get started. So you'll notice that I've been posting a lot of videos lately, information that I feel is important. You can always call me and say, hey, Marvin, can you give me some ideas about this or that? And I'd be happy to do that for you and create a video for it. But you'll notice that recently I have stopped allowing people to comment on my posts. And it's not because I don't want to hear what you guys have to say. It's because I think a lot of the times the comments of the people who are writing in are irresponsible. There's one that kind of comes to mind where I posted a video about, this repair is pretty difficult, I only say that the repair is difficult because I have a toll-free number that's for view of the entire world. I get calls from Spain, Brazil, Thailand, and all over the United States. So here's what happens. A client, potential client, will find instructions on how to repair the convertible top. They'll get stuck. And then what happens is they call the first available person whose phone number, me, who's visible. So here's what happens. They find these instructions, and I have viewed the instructions, and they're not complete, right? They're not complete. So I get the phone call at 2:30 in the afternoon. The guy says, hey, I did this, I did that. I have a 2001 XK8. I'm trying to put new hoses in, and I'm stuck. And I ask them, well, where did you find instructions for the repair? Oh, I found them on YouTube, or I found them on the internet. Okay, great. At one point, I used to sell hoses. Well, who did you get your hoses from, sir? Oh, I bought them from someplace out west. Here's the problem with that, right? I get paid to do this repair. You can't call me for free information, one. Two, you didn't purchase anything from me. There's nothing in it for me to help these guys. So I politely tell them, I'm sorry. So when someone comments on the repair and they tell me that they can do this repair in 3 hours, it's reasonable. It can be if you know what you're doing. And someone who can do this repair in 3 hours, well, I've done this repair over 300 times. I may have done it a couple of times in 3 hours, maybe a couple. And that may be just a pump to latch hose repair, which I could probably hustle up and do it in 3 hours if I wanted to, but I'm not in business to rush to get things done. So anyway, I thought the comment for the gentleman who posted a reply to my comment about the repair and being careful and making sure that you know what you're doing. I thought his comment was irresponsible only because he never posted his credentials. He never posted his experience about pulling cars apart. He could have very well been a ASE mechanic, which, it's reasonable that he can do this repair in 3 hours if he's a mechanic anyway. That's not unreasonable. So he never posted his experience, but he left in response to my comment that he did the repair in 3 hours. My feeling about that, again, is the comment was irresponsible, right? Because he's basically saying that any average Joe can do this repair in 3 hours. I don't think so. Again, I've done this repair over 300 times, and I've only done it a handful of times in 3 hours. It's just, I don't I don't know. But anyway, some of the comments I feel are irresponsible, so I have disabled all of the commenting on all of my videos. I don't want to lead people into thinking that this repair is easy. So I just pick up the phone and call me, right? That's it.